Any good for it?
No.
Like the bin's a bit full. That's enough? The bin's full? These paradise pears. Hello. Avocados, cherry tomatoes, mushrooms, telecures, chocos, more cherry tomatoes, sweet potatoes, strawberries, lychees, oh, fuck, shit avocados. What's this shit? Grapes. Fuck, a lot of grapes here. Grapes, 4, 5, 6 boxes of grapes. More shit. Alright, she's ready? Alright, go. Guide her out. Guide her out. I'm following. I'm following. Guide her out. Let's get a picture of all this shit here. Tomatoes, all the other shit there. Potatoes. A whole trolley of lettuce, butternuts. What else we got here? Honeydews, Chinese cabbage, celery, kohlrabi, honeydews by the box, olives by the box, lettuce, corn, passion fruit. Beautiful.